This is another clip. Let's see what's in this apartment. She's gonna unpack the new boxes. This is the package. This is a small printer. You can use at home. It's really cool. This is a shelf you can use for vegetables and fruits. This is an electrical you can use for heating water. This is a box you can use for storing rice. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is a brush you can use for your body, and this is another one you can use for your feet. This is a shelf you can use in the bathroom. This is another apartment. This is a 4K smart TV. This is a small fold-in washing machine. This is a small box you can use for masks. This is another shelf. This is an electric top you can use for your feet. This is a file you can use for your heels. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning your bed. This is another apartment. You'll see the gadgets we've got in this apartment. This is an appliance you can use for saving money and other things. You can also use it for charging your mobile phone. This is a shoes dryer. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. This is a hanger you can use for your sandals. This is another small folding washing machine. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning mirrors and windows. This is a small washing that's a trash pan. This is a trimmer you can use for shaving. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.